Most businesses think their Google business profile is just for Google search, but that's only half the game now. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Google's own AI overviews are scanning your profile right now, and they're looking for completely different signals than traditional search. Here's the problem. What ranks well in classic Google search can actually hurt you in AI search results. And most businesses have no idea they're losing qualified leads because their profile is optimized for the wrong algorithm. Let me show you the 5 critical differences between AI search optimization and traditional Google search optimization for your business profile. And these aren't minor tweaks. These are fundamental strategy shifts that determine whether ChatGPT recommends you or your competitor. First major difference: entity completeness versus keyword density. Traditional Google search rewards keyword stuffing. You put best plumber in Austin, Texas 17 times in your business profile description and you rank. Google's crawler is looking for exact match phrases, location keywords, and service terms repeated strategically. But AI models like ChatGPT and Perplexity don't care about keyword density at all. They're scanning for structured entity data. They want to know, what exact services do you offer? What's your service radius? What are your qualifications? What software systems do you use? What warranties do you provide? If your profile says, we provide excellent plumbing services, that's invisible to AI. It needs emergency pipe repair, water heater installation, sewer line camera inspection with specific details. AI models are trying to match intent to capability, not keywords to keywords. The action here: stop writing for Google's keyword crawler. Start writing like you're answering a very specific question from a potential customer. List every service individually, include make and model compatibility, mention certifications by name. Second critical difference: conversational long-tail queries versus transactional short phrases. Google search users type plumber near me or Austin emergency plumber. Short, transactional, intent, heavy. Your business profile optimization targets those exact phrases, and that works. But ChatGPT users ask completely different questions. They say, I have a leaking pipe under my kitchen sink that started this morning. I'm in South Austin. Who can come out today, and what should I expect to pay? That's not a keyword search. That's a natural language question. AI models scan your business profile content to answer that kind of nuanced query. They're looking for indicators like same-day emergency response, free estimates, transparent pricing, licensed and insured, and geographic service boundaries that match the user's neighborhood. If your profile is optimized only for emergency plumber Austin, ChatGPT might skip you entirely because it can't confidently answer the user's specific question about availability and pricing. The fix: expand your business profile description to answer the questions AI users actually ask. Include response time commitments, pricing structures, service area details, and what customers should expect during a service call. Write in complete sentences that directly answer common questions. Third difference: trust signals versus review volume. In traditional Google search, your ranking is heavily influenced by total review count and average star rating. More reviews equals better visibility. Simple math. AI models evaluate trust completely differently. They're reading the actual content of your reviews, looking for specific proof points. 100 generic 5-star reviews that say great service don't move the needle. But 10 detailed reviews that mention specific problems solved, technician names, and measurable outcomes give AI models the confidence to recommend you. ChatGPT and Perplexity are also cross-referencing your business profile data with other web mentions. If your website says you've been in business since 2008, but your Google profile says 2015, that's a red flag. AI models penalize inconsistency. The strategy: stop chasing review volume and start cultivating detailed reviews. Ask satisfied customers to mention the specific service they received, the name of your technician, and the outcome they experienced, and audit your business profile for consistency with your website, social profiles, and directory listings. AI models trust consistent entities. Fourth major difference: real-time availability versus static listing optimization. Google search doesn't care if you update your business profile constantly. Set your hours, add some photos, get reviews, and you're done. Static optimization works. AI search is dynamic. When a ChatGPT user asks, who can help me right now, AI models prioritize profiles that show recent activity. That means fresh photos uploaded this month, responses to reviews within the last week, updated business hours for holidays, and posts about current services or promotions. A stale business profile with no activity in 6 months signals to AI that you might not be monitoring your business. Even if you're actively taking calls, AI won't know that. The play: treat your Google business profile like a living channel. Upload new project photos weekly. Respond to every review within 48 hours. Post service updates monthly. Update your hours for holidays in advance. AI models interpret activity as reliability. Fifth critical difference, semantic context versus isolated profile data. Google Search evaluates your business profile mostly in isolation. Your profile content plus backlinks plus reviews equals your ranking. It's a contained ecosystem. AI models pull your business profile into a much larger context. They're connecting your profile data with content from your website, articles mentioning your business, forum discussions about your industry, and even social media activity. An AI sees your entire web presence as one interconnected entity. If your business profile says you specialize in residential plumbing, but your website prominently features commercial projects and your most recent blog post is about industrial pipe systems, AI models get confused. That confusion means you don't get recommended. The solution? Ensure your Google business profile aligns semantically with the rest of your web presence. If you offer both residential and commercial services, state that explicitly everywhere with consistent language. Use the same service categories, the same terminology, and the same brand positioning across every platform. AI models reward semantic consistency. So here's your action plan. Audit your Google business profile against these 5 differences. Rewrite your description for entity completeness, not keyword density. Add detailed service descriptions that answer natural language questions. Cultivate specific, detailed reviews instead of chasing volume. Commit to weekly updates and activity. And align your profile language with your entire web presence. This isn't optional anymore. AI search is already driving qualified leads to your competitors if your profile isn't optimized for how AI models evaluate businesses. Want to see exactly how your business profile performs in AI search right now? Ninja scans your profile against AI model requirements and shows you the specific gaps costing you leads. Get your free AI search visibility report at tryninja.ai.